We're gonna see if I can straighten this thing out at all. I'm gonna try to just like flip it over and block it up and see if I can push down in the center with the loader frame of the tractor and try to get it to straighten out that big old bow in it. That big hooey. Man, it's bad. But I think if I kind of put it on its top over here and then support the ends inside, maybe with these jack stands, kind of hold that bottom up flat, maybe I can push down with the loader frame in the middle and hopefully get it to kind of at least straighten out, mostly. Like I said, mostly straight would probably be okay. I'll get it to straighten out, maybe weld a little on it to kind of reinforce it. See what I can do to get by for a minute.
I can do an imitation of a man who's feeling good. I can talk a lot like someone who's not misunderstood. I can go to all the places where the happy people stay. But without you here beside me, I'm an actor on the stage. There's a drunk in every graveyard, there's a ghost in every bar. I'm drinking in the moonlight, wondering where you are. Give me just a phone call, let me know that you're okay. I see the curtain coming down for an actor on stage. Oh, I miss you, you know I'd kiss you. I was your man. I've been through it, and I can't do it again. Well, you got your explanations that I don't understand. I once believed in magic, but now I know it's sleight of hand. The things we say just float away, they're not words on a page. You're living in a storybook, and I'm an actor on a stage.
Let's think some more and do it a little bit differently. Kind of tried this once already, but maybe we'll try it again and see if it's better success up here on concrete. But I don't think the tractor's got enough weight to just push down and have it straighten out. It kind of happened when I was digging like this and caught in the forward momentum of the tractor. All of that force is what bent it as bad as it is. So I doubt I'll be able to get it with just the weight of the tractor. But we'll try it. Yeah. Maybe. got to have the deeper lip, not just on the edge. It sure looks promising when it's on the ground. Like, oh, maybe we'll get it. Oh, come on now. Let's be reasonable. You can't do that without the brakes locked. So the tractor can pull forward. Just keep sliding off. Man, it looks promising. Keep going. We gotta go at least a little ways past flat to get anywhere close. It's a long ways away. Maybe we need more weight. Maybe we need a lot more weight. People might love me and hate me for this. This is what I'm doing. I know that thing ain't gonna go anywhere. And I know I really can't hurt it at all. Got me thinking, since it was the forward momentum of the tractor hooked on something immovable that caused it to pull, maybe I can do it the other direction into something that's immovable. And use the weight of the tractor and the force of the tractor to do it. Well, I'm gonna try it. I think it'll work better than anything else. I think we get one touch there with the hammer and it's going to flop back a little bit. You can still see the bow here where it was creased. And you're kind of whacking it crease. It might pop up, it might pop down, you can see.
Sometimes things happen beyond your control, as if they have a life of their own. Choices you make, what appears to be right, seems you just have no say. As if you're a witness to your own mistakes, it's easy to play.
That's gonna work. Let's get a bigger hand.
After you see what the choices came to be, like a storm that's passed on. Oh, the brain down the drain. Oh, the fuse, the abuse. Oh, please, storm-felled trees. Oh, the fight over who's right. Trying to remember all the shit that went down. I don't know what your intention was. Like trying to memorize the Bible backwards to the start and reciting it from the heart, upside down. Oh, please, on your knees. The men watch you defend. I'm right, therefore I fight. You're See the water flowing under bridges. Time, my friend, has come to pay its dues, show its use. See the sheep, they're grazing on the ridges. Our friend the wolf has come to show a new beginning needs an end. Away with your sail. Today you are gonna play. If not now, disavow the lie that's in your eye.
Definitely flat enough for scooping manure. Pretty dang close. So I think at this point I'll try to probably V that out a little bit and lay a thick bead into it. And then I think I'm just gonna drill out some holes here on this leading edge and get a bolt-on cutting edge. That'll substantially stiffen and straighten that out if that's bolted on every, I think they're 8 inches or 12 inches depending on the type. So when I checked on the lift arms this morning, combined to get them here for both of them, it was only $400. Way better price than I had put in my mind. So I guess my tactic worked. Those will be here in a week. Bucket straightened out for now. I'll weld that up like I said, and then I'll see if I can get a hold of a cutting edge for that for pretty cheap. Gonna work fine until we get a cutting edge on there. Get a cutting edge on there and stiffen it up and it'll be fine. Probably gonna look for a replacement bucket, like a one for a skid steer, a heavy duty one to handle the weight of road and dirt. This works great for mucking out the pens and stuff, but it's pretty soft and flimsy for doing this heavy heavy dirt and heavy rock kind of stuff. So we'll call that good and keep it as a light material bucket.